Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer Uber Cash to Cash App. So for this video I'm going to use the web browser, but you can also follow the same steps in the Uber application. So first of all, you just have to come to uber.com and then you just have to click on the login button in the top right hand corner. After that you need to select or sign in as a driver, and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in order to cash out, you need to just visit to the wallet.uber.com. There you will be able to see the cash out option, so you need to tap on cash out in the earnings section. Then you need to select your desired account. It can be Cash App, it can be your bank account, but as you want to withdraw into Cash App, so in the account you just have to select Cash App. Then you need to click on the confirm button in order to deposit your earnings into Cash App. Here, one important thing that you need to note is any balance available at the time of the cash out will be deposited to your bank account or debit card. Transfers might take a few business days. Some banks may require additional time for processing as well. A fee may apply for cashing out earnings outside the usual schedule. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.